Uno Frenemies add-on pack, how to play. The rules are the same as regular Uno, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Add the 16 Frenemies cards to your classic Uno game. The new cards are all wilds and can be played on anything, and you get to pick the color that resumes play. Their additional effects are Wild Nemesis. Choose another player to be your enemy. Whenever you play a card that causes them to draw cards, they draw 2 extra cards. This continues until you decide to end it. Wild Petty Play. Choose another player to draw 3 cards. Also, if another player makes you draw cards for any reason, you may play this card out of turn to make them draw 3 cards. Then you pick the color that resumes play. Wild Eliminator. All other players must discard all wild cards from their hand to the bottom of the discard pile without effect. Wild Instigator. Choose as many players as you want and make each of them draw 1 to 4 cards.